to my YouTube channel. I'm Margaret Njoki Mugo from M County. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and follow my channel. And if you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Margaret Njoki Mugo from M County. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and follow my channel. And if you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Straight away, I will go to the farm and start harvesting pumpkins. Those are pumpkins from the farm. In our local language, we call them marenge. In Embu language. Remember, we are located in Embu, Eastern Kenya, Africa. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I'm Margaret Njoki Mugo. Back home with my pumpkins. Leave a good comment for your mom from Kenya, Africa. Today we are cooking marenge, pumpkins, waru, potatoes, and beans, bosho, in our local language. This is kitchen in the range. Wow.
No, sir.
Straight away, we start by preparing pumpkins, marenge, removing the inside. Remember, remove the seeds inside. You can see, we start by cutting into pieces. Those are marenge. Tunaanza na kutoa ngozi ya ndani, alafu tunakatakata. We cut into pieces. You can see. This is French rice. We are cooking food for lunch. Marenge and waru na bosho for lunch. Can you see? An African mom. Lazima tutoe sandani, alafu tukatakate. Wow. So ni waru. Tunatoa the outer cover of viazi. Potatoes in our language. In our language we call it walu in Kiambu language. So an African mom. Wow. Kindly subscribe. We are 345 subscribers. Thank you so much. Way to 1,000 subscribers. Show me your love by clicking the subscription button. Wow, you can see we have started cooking. We have added oil and onions. We use 3 stones. We use firewood for cooking. After that, those are waste from the kitchen. Remember, we use it as a manure. Those are tomatoes we cut into pieces. Straight away, we add tomatoes to the onions. Wow. We wash the recipe and add it to the Korea. Straight away we wash direct and cooking direct.
Njogo.
Wow. We add salt. Then we add water.
Get out of here.
Then we cover with another sufuria. We continue by adding firewood. Then after boiling, we add beans. Remember the beans, we cooked the beans yesterday. Because we cannot manage to cook the beans at the same day and cook together with the pumpkins. So we cooked our beans yesterday. Wow. We stir it and cook for 30 minutes. Wow, the food is ready, you can see. Delicious, healthy food. Try this at your home. Leave a good comment for your mom. Food is ready to serve. Remember, an African mom serves all the plates together because we don't want to leave any kid without food. So everyone is served in the kitchen. Wow, you can see the soup, yummy, delicious. Wow, enjoy. Kindly subscribe. Wow, wow. We are Kenyans. We are African, and African is our business. Those are
Thank you, my followers.
pumpkins.
Thank you for following my channel. Thank you for 345 subscribers. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.